With the Pro version, you may design and build anything, from a 40-floor skyscraper to a house of any size. The program simply has no stories limitation, while the base version can build only up to 2 stories and a loft. Working in 2D, you get access to several useful additional tools, such as the custom roof, used for drawing roofs of any size or shape anywhere in the project, as well as the building block, which is helpful when you need to add a balcony or other complex internal or external building elements. Using the elevation view, you may create wall openings, panels, and niches of the desired shape. You may place them into the right position and instantly see how they will look in your project by switching to the 3D mode. Among other features which the Pro version offers, higher resolution for the exported images and videos, export to 3ds format, and much more.